Hey, so here is this cool app which is called Forgotten app, and it's in top charts right now. It's viral, and the idea is that you can find forgotten, abandoned places near you, and then yeah, so just some, I don't know, old castles or some like abandoned ships and stuff like that, and then just yeah, and then just make really cool photos for your Instagram and all of that. Uh, there aren't that many reviews and all of that, but yeah, I think still the idea is pretty cool. So let's just do a quick preview. uh, let's just try to sign up here. Yeah, so there you have it, and then you will just see all these abandoned places near you. So for example, if I click here somewhere in Germany, I will see this kind of cool pier, or I can just see some cool places, top places not far from me, so abandoned. And a lot of people are just adding all these places here, and yeah, you can just see super cool places. You can see like exact locations, but there are also ads. So stuff like that. If you like stuff like that, that should be really fun app for you to try out. You can also list new location. You can see your favorite locations. And here is a map of Europe. A lot of places in Berlin, places in UK, and a lot of places in United States. So for example, here in New York, or Sandy Hook, or yeah, so all this kind of stuff, and then you can just go there, uh, see. So all this stuff. You can also have filters. You can filter by most recent, by distance, and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's the idea. Then you can also add your Instagram. I guess there is like a help center about forgotten, so quick description. Anyone can search or upload an abandoned location, and there are also paid listings here. So that's the idea. That's just a quick preview of the app. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.